Hi everyone. So today we'll be looking at, let's say you don't want to run your test in the default instance that the Playwright brings in, that's of Chromium, and you want to launch a browser which is already installed in your system. For example, we can take Chrome. In order to do that, you need to import this Chromium from Playwright/test. Once that's done, we should be able to customize this Chromium and call it from the location which is already installed in your system. So let's try that. I'll minimize these two test cases which we wrote earlier as part of our earlier video, and I'll start with a new test. Okay, so once, as you can see, it's auto-suggesting me code. That's because I have enabled GitHub Copilot. So I'll just use whatever is required. Everything else I'll take off. This time we won't be using this default instance page, so I'll take this out. And our test is going to say run Chrome from system default location. Okay. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to create a variable called browser, and this is how it's done. We can directly say const browser equals await. Let me reuse some of this. I'll take this out. Okay, next is I need to mention the executable path from where this will be picking up the Chrome installation. How I'll do that? Okay, so this is the location where my Google Chrome is installed on my Mac machine. Once I've given the location, I can close this off. Next, out of this browser, I can create a context, and from the context, I can get the page. Like this. So this is the same page that we imported as part of our previous test cases. The only difference is this time this page instance will be of the default Google Chrome which is installed in our machine instead of the Chromium browser that it was bringing as part of the previous test. We can quickly navigate to a page to see whether this works, and let me format this. Okay. As you can see, we have 3 test cases as part of this suite, and I only want to execute the third one. So how I can do that? I can write test.only. This will only pick this test case for execution, and it will ignore the above 2 tests. Okay, so now we'll write npm test. That should execute our test case, and we see some error. Let's check what the error is. The location is not right. Okay, let me try and fix this location. Okay, so I'm missing a / in front of the path, and I've added that. Let's see. Okay, so now we have corrected the location of the Chrome. Let's head back to the terminal and issue the command npm test. And now we can see a Chrome browser is launched instead of Chromium, and it works as expected.